how to download movies on Netflix app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can download movies on Netflix app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have Netflix application and you're logged into the account and you want to download the movies, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up Netflix, then make sure that you're signed into the account, then tap the profile icon and then just make sure to sign in with the PIN as well. Once you're inside of a specific page over here and then you want to download a movie, right? If you'd like to download a movie, just go to movies categories or just search for your custom movie here and then just select the I button here. Once you select the I button, what you want to do is, in order to download the movie, you just need to tap this little download option as you can find right underneath the play button. So you'll find the download button next to it, tap on it. Once it has downloaded, how do you find the downloaded section? Well, to find it, what you want to do is just tap the downloads option from the bottom right of the screen. Then right in this case, you'll be able to see your downloaded content. This way you can download movies on Netflix app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.